Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to share with you. We'll be diving into the world of ChatGPT and learning how to develop a simple HTML CSS snippets using ChatGPT without any coding knowledge. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human like text based upon the input it receives. It has been trained on a massive amount of data that can assist you in a various tasks, including website development. So, how to use ChatGPT? I'll let you know. Before going into the ChatGPT, we need to first log in or sign up into the ChatGPT account. So, this is a very simple interface. All you need to do is simply sign up if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can click on the login. So, I already have an account, but still, I'm showing you the sign up process. Here comes the sign up screen. You need to give the email address and click on continue, or else you can also continue with your Google account. So, right now, I'm doing continue with Google. This is how ChatGPT interface looks like. All my previous charts will be shown here, and this is the send message. I can type anything over here. Hi ChatGPT. See, you'll get an reply. The new feature is we can also share the link of this particular chart with anyone. Isn't it cool? So, first let us start with simple snippets, how we can develop a simple HTML CSS snippets using ChatGPT, and then we will dive into more. This is a invoice design which I'm going to develop for my PDF purpose. Let us ask ChatGPT how we can develop this one. I prefer not to use any kind of coding skills. All I just ask the ChatGPT and let us see what the outcome will be. So first let us design this upper portion. So here it gave me a snippet, but I don't want something like this. I'm asking to give me in a table format because I'm going to use this in my PDF options. So the preferable method for the PDF is like a tabular format rather than the divs and other block elements. So let's see if it can provide me or not. See, even it gave me in the tabular format. Isn't it cool? Along with giving the code, the best part of the chat GPT is it always gives the explanation what exactly written inside the code so that even a non-coder can read and understand where to change what with this explanation. So all we need is just to copy this code. Here it gives copy code. I just clicked on that, and let me open my VS Code. Here I have already created one index.html. I'm saving that, and I just here there is nothing when I opened initially, but now I'll click on the F5. Let me see. See, here we have a logo and we have a invoice. The image is broken because I haven't given any kind of path. For learning purpose, let me hide this image. I'll just give logo text. I'll keep this in a H1. Okay, see, isn't it similar format? So let us do this portion as well now. We'll go one by one. I'm just typing this one. Let us see what it gives. Next, we are going to make this one client address and please make payment too. Next row, we need client address. See, it has created me and another table row here. Let me just control. Okay, let us see. See, isn't it cool? Like we are not doing something really coding, but still we are getting whatever we want. Anyhow, this is not exactly similar to this, but still a basic layout we can design using this chat GPT. So next we need an heading for a legal something. We don't exactly require same invoice. So we'll ask that we agree. As we have asked it to only use table, it is using only tables instead of divs, and even this particular heading also it has given me in the table format itself. See, using ChatGPT is very much simple. It is like someone senior consultant is just sat beside of you. All you need is to you have to ask the question and you'll get the answer. It is moreover like a conversational, not like we need something and we are going to search for that every time and we'll get the multiple results. It is something a powerful tool where what we needed just we'll write it down and it will give you the specific answer which is tailorly made for you. So here it have given the box in the style. Later on I will change it to inline anyhow. For now I'm just copy I'll just copy and paste. See here, it gave the very bigger box. Code and paste over here. Let us see how it comes. Okay. It is giving the style to the entire div. That is why it is covering up everything. It's okay. Now, next, let us go to this one. First, let us complete entire layout. Then we will design. We'll do the further design modifications in that. With the what we need, date, description, hours, and amount. Date, description, hours, and amount. Also, at the bottom of the table, we need to have subtotal tax rate, tax, subtotal tax rate, tax, total due, last line. Thank you. I'm very much excited how it come. So let me copy and just paste over here. Now let's check. Oh wow, it is great. This is the outcome. How the design has came. First, do some small changes so that it looks better. I think all I did is copy and paste over here. Have a basic elements knowledge at least. What is a P tag? What is a H1 tag? A very basic knowledge you need so that you can do certain changes and you can develop it further. Now let us style this basic layout which we got from the ChatGPT using our skills. Quickly remove the border as we don't require the border. See, the border is been removed. For client address and make payment, we do have this kind of border and background. Your style is equal to let me say copy this over here. Now let me add the background color for this. Style is equal to background color. See, we have got a background color. Now let me add a padding of 2 pixels. We need to give a column here. We need a little bit light clear color. This. And we also have a border. Border is 1 pixel. For each style, you have to give a semicolon to differentiate it. See, these also are in uppercase. So we don't need to type everything here in uppercase. We do have a CSS for that. Text to transform uppercase. Okay. Also need to adjust the font size. Keep 12 pixels. Okay, I think 12 pixels is very much small. So let us make it 14 pixels on both sides. So this is the look which we get. Okay. Now let us make this portion. Here first we'll take a border, bx and solid. So we got a border, and this was a little. So let us add some space over here. In order to add space, we'll use style tag to th element. It is let us give 5 pixels. See, we got a space. We also have a background color. So we'll use same background color from the top side. See here, we got a background color. Will you border for this? This is the side borders we are giving now. Just need to copy this style and paste over all the table headings. TH means a table heading. See, now you got a border over there. Similar, we'll do to TDs also. All these are coming to one side. For TDs, I'll add one more style. It is text align center. See, it came to center. So we do add similar styles to all the CTDs. I'm doing everything inline because I'm going to use this particular template for a PDFs or to send an email. We can use this kind of designing. For website, we use internal or external style sheet. But if you are looking to use this particular template for emails, particular template for PDF generations, like that, we use inline styles like this. We need to write everything inline. Also, instead of divs, prefer to use tables. This is how it came. All these are centrally aligned. One second. Let me remove center line, as already it is having style as a text align right. It will align to right once we remove the text align center. So here it comes. If you look at the design, there is nothing over here. To make it this plain, we need to add two more table datas. It came like this because we have a colon span 3. Let me remove that. Now let us see. See, for subtotal, I have added two empty divs, table datas. Let me add two remaining also. It all looks similar. Now refresh. See, there is an empty one. Now it look more similar to this. Also, we don't need this border, but border here. We'll keep a border for table row and let us see. If we give border 1 px for table row, all this portion is also coming the border. So for that, let us keep this. Let me make sure we'll get only border bottom. Top, right. Let me separate border width and border style. Now, if you see, this is 1 pixel is top. We have a top border, and we also have a border on right side. We need to make sure that right side border is 0 pixels. Sorry, this one. Right side border is 0 pixels, and bottom 1 pixel we need, and left side also we need 1 pixel. So this is how we need to do if we want a specific border style. Let me just copy paste over here. See, here it will again change. We'll get 1 pixel here and 0 pixels here. Okay, and we need to align left side. Left doesn't look good. We'll align to center. Okay, this one is also aligned to center. In a similar way, we need to add style for all the table data. First, let me add everything to the bottom, and then we'll copy paste the top side styles. For totally, we'll add font weight, and this one is font size little bit bigger, so I'll give 16 pixels, and I think it is in capitals also. Text to transform uppercase. By the way, I'm using a Visual Studio Code as an IDE, which is very awesome IDE. it gives you an instant result if you start typing over that. So it is my favorite idea. Also, let me make sure the font size is a little less for all this. Let's say, for example, 14. I'll keep. Let me just keep 14 pixel for the remaining all. See, your invoice template is ready. We can use this template as an email template, or if you need to download any PDF template, we can use this kind of formats. Rules to be remembered while we are developing the template for emails and PDFs. First thing, it should not contain any kind of external style sheets or internal style sheets, or we are not supposed to use any kind of bootstrap or something. If you are using bootstrap, you can link CDNs, but still we can't say it will support, because in some of the email services they won't load the styles from the external sources. So that is the reason we use inline styles. Even in the inline styles also, we prefer to use tables instead of divs. All we need is a single element like table, table rows, table headings, and p tags, h tags we can use. A basic HTML tags we need to use for developing the email template. For your reference, I'll also attach this index.html in the comment section, in the description. If you have any doubts, for reference, I can also attach this. For reference, I'll attach this HTML template in description. Have a look and let us know if you have any doubts through comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.